Did you know that one small spice in your kitchen may contain powerful natural compounds linked to digestion, oral health, immunity, and overall wellness? Today, we're talking about cloves, a strong and aromatic spice that has been used for centuries in traditional cooking and wellness practices around the world. Cloves are small dried flower buds that come from the clove tree. They are commonly used in teas, soups, spice blends, desserts, and even oral care products. But what makes cloves so special? In this video, we'll explore the nutritional value of cloves, their possible health benefits, how they may support the body, different ways to use cloves safely, and important precautions to remember. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional for personal medical concerns. Now let's begin. 1. What is clove? Clove is a spice made from the dried flower buds of the clove tree, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum. It is native to parts of Southeast Asia, but is now used worldwide in cooking and traditional wellness practices. Cloves have a strong aroma, a warm taste, natural oils, antioxidants, plant compounds. One of the most important natural compounds in clove is called eugenol. Eugenol is widely studied because of its antioxidant and aromatic properties. Cloves can be used in several forms: whole cloves, ground clove powder, clove tea, clove oil, clove-infused water. Because of their concentrated nature, cloves are usually used in small amounts. 2. Nutritional value of clove. Even though cloves are typically consumed in small quantities, they still contain important nutrients. Cloves provide fiber, manganese, vitamin K, vitamin C, calcium, small amounts of iron and magnesium. They are also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress, which can damage cells over time. Oxidative stress has been linked to aging and various chronic health conditions. Spices like cloves may help support a balanced diet because of these natural compounds. 3. Clove may support immune health. One popular reason people use cloves is for immune support. Cloves contain antioxidants and plant compounds that may help support the body's natural defense system. Antioxidants help the body fight unstable molecules called free radicals. Free radicals can increase oxidative stress in the body. A healthy immune system depends on balanced nutrition, sleep, physical activity, hydration, stress management. Cloves are not a cure or treatment for disease, but they may be a supportive addition to a healthy lifestyle when consumed responsibly. Some people enjoy clove tea during cold weather because of its warming aroma and comforting flavor. A simple clove tea can be made by boiling water, adding a few whole cloves, letting it steep for several minutes. Some people also add cinnamon, ginger, or lemon for flavor. 4. Benefits of clove for oral health. One of the most well-known traditional uses of clove is oral care. For many years, cloves have been used in mouth fresheners, herbal oral products, traditional dental practices. Clove oil contains eugenol, which is commonly used in some dental materials because of its soothing properties. Some people use cloves temporarily to ease mild mouth discomfort. However, clove oil is very concentrated and should be used carefully. Potential oral health benefits of cloves may include helping freshen breath, supporting oral hygiene, providing a cooling or soothing sensation. Maintaining good oral health still requires brushing teeth regularly, flossing, drinking water, visiting a dental professional. Natural remedies should never replace professional dental care. 5. Clove and digestion. Cloves have also been traditionally used to support digestion. Some people consume cloves after meals because of their strong aromatic properties. Cloves may help support digestive comfort by stimulating digestive enzymes, supporting normal digestion, helping reduce feelings of heaviness after meals. Many cultures use cloves in herbal teas, spiced dishes, warm beverages after eating. Digestive wellness also depends on eating enough fiber, staying hydrated, managing stress, limiting highly processed foods. Cloves alone cannot solve digestive problems, but they may complement healthy habits. If digestive symptoms are severe or persistent, it is important to seek medical advice. 6. Clove may help support liver health. Some studies have explored how antioxidants in cloves may support liver health. The liver is one of the body's most important organs. It helps process nutrients, filter substances, support metabolism. Because cloves contain antioxidants, researchers are interested in how they may help protect cells from oxidative stress. However, more human research is still needed. It's important to remember, natural foods can support wellness, but they are not miracle cures. Healthy liver support also includes limiting excessive alcohol, staying active, eating balanced meals, maintaining a healthy weight. 7. Clove and blood sugar support. Some early research suggests that compounds in cloves may help support healthy blood sugar balance when combined with healthy lifestyle habits. Balanced blood sugar is influenced by nutrition, physical activity, sleep, weight management. Cloves should never replace prescribed treatment or medical advice. But using flavorful spices instead of excessive sugar or unhealthy additives may help support healthier eating habits overall. For example, adding cloves to tea, oatmeal, or healthy recipes can increase flavor naturally. People with medical conditions or those taking medication should consult healthcare professionals before using concentrated herbal products regularly. 8. Antioxidant properties of clove. One of the biggest reasons cloves receive so much attention is their antioxidant content. Antioxidants are important because they help protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress may contribute to premature aging, inflammation, cell damage. Many plant foods contain antioxidants, including fruits, vegetables, herbs, spices. Cloves are considered one of the spice sources rich in antioxidant compounds. But balance is important. More is not always better. Using cloves moderately as part of a healthy diet is generally considered the safest approach. 9. Different ways to use clove. There are many ways people use cloves in daily life. Here are a few common methods. 1. Clove tea. Steep a few cloves in hot water. 2. Cooking. Add cloves to rice dishes, soups, tea blends, baked foods, spice mixes. 3. Clove powder. Small amounts can be added to smoothies or oatmeal. 4. Aromatic use. Some people enjoy the warm aroma of cloves in seasonal drinks and recipes. 5. Mouth freshener. In some cultures, whole cloves are chewed briefly after meals for freshness. However, avoid excessive use because cloves are strong and concentrated. 10. Safety and precautions. Even natural foods and spices should be used carefully. Cloves are generally safe in small culinary amounts, but excessive use may cause problems. Important precautions include: avoid consuming large amounts of clove oil. Keep clove oil away from children. Some people may experience irritation or allergic reactions. Excessive intake may upset the stomach. People who should consult healthcare professionals before regular use include pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, people with bleeding disorders, individuals taking medications, people with chronic medical conditions. Moderation is always important. Natural does not automatically mean risk-free. Conclusion: Cloves are a fascinating spice with a long history in cooking and traditional wellness practices. They contain antioxidants and plant compounds that may help support oral health, digestion, immune wellness, overall healthy living. But the key is balance. Cloves work best as part of a healthy lifestyle that includes nutritious foods, exercise, sleep, hydration, stress management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and share this with someone interested in natural wellness. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.